Hello students, I Khushbu Jadhav, representing Bright Star International School Bilimora, would like to explain you chapter number 10, The Scholar's Mother Tongue of your English Literature, Activity 1. So, let us start the chapter, The Scholar's Mother Tongue. So, in this chapter, we have a short story. In this story, we have a Pandit, Akbar, Birbal, and courtiers of the king Akbar. So, a learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many languages. एक बार अकबर का जो साम्राज्य था तो अकबर की कोर्ट में what happened, one pandit came and he told that he had mastery over many different languages. उसको बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस का बहुत अच्छे से ज्ञान है. So the pandit could speak many languages fluently. So he told that he would be able to speak many languages. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. Here the word has been used, mother tongue. Mother tongue means what? मातृभाषा. जो भाषा हम जन्म से बोलते हैं या हम जिस भाषा में हम कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं ज़्यादातर, दैट इज़ आवर मदर टंग. So nobody would be able to understand that what is his mother tongue because he was known of many other different languages. उसको अपनी मदर टंग के अलावा बहुत सारी दूसरी भी लैंग्वेजेस आती थी. So he would not, so the other people would not be able to understand कि उसकी मदर टंग क्या है. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. He challenged everyone in the court that can anybody find out my mother tongue. वो उसने कोर्ट में ये बोला कि क्या कोई मेरी मदर टंग को फाइंड कर सकता है. सो एवरीबडी गॉट फेल्ड. सो इन दैट टाइम the challenge was taken or accepted by Birbal. Now, who is Birbal? Birbal is a very famous minister in the court of Akbar. So, the challenge has been accepted by Birbal. Now, that night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. When the Pandit was sleeping, uh, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. He whispered. The word is whispered. So whispered means फुसफुसाना. धीरे से कुछ भी कान में बोलना. धीरे से बोलना. Whispered means फुसफुसाना. So the Birbal whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. टिकल्ड मीन्स गुदगुदी करना और फीदर मीन्स पंख. एक पंख को लेकर ही टिकल्ड इन द ईयर ऑफ पंडित. द पंडित हाफ अवे क्राइड आउट सडनली एंड शाउटेड आउट वर्ड्स इन हिज मदर टंग. पंडित हड़बड़ा गया और जोर से चिल्लाया. और जब वो जोर से चिल्लाया सो ही यूज्ड द वर्ड्स ऑफ हिज मदर टंग. So now the Birbal was come to know about the mother tongue of Pandit. Now Birbal came to the court the next day and told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. So बिरबल ने कोर्ट में सभी को ये बोला कि द पंडित्स मदर टंग वॉज तेलुगु, उसकी मदर टंग तेलुगु है। द पंडित वॉज सरप्राइज्ड एंड एक्सेप्टेड द ट्रूथ। पंडित ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेड that yes, his mother tongue is Telugu. The Akbar king then asked Birbal, "How did you find the truth?" Akbar asked to Birbal that how did you come to know that Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu? So Birbal answered or replied, in times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. बिरबल ने जवाब दिया कि जब भी कोई भी इंसान अगर मुसीबत में होता है तो वो हमेशा अपनी मदर टंग मातृभाषा का ही यूज़ करता है. So he also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. And he told to Akbar that how he go quietly in the room of Pandits at the night time and find the truth. So this is what in this story in the activity 1. Now let us go through the activity 2. In activity 2, match the words in column A with their synonyms in column B. Now synonym stands for the meaning or same meaning words. So here you can see learn. Learn means knowledgeable. So first one would be match with fifth one, knowledgeable. Second is mastery. Mastery means command. Quietly, धीरे से, चुपचाप से, so silently. Shouted means चिल्लाना, so shouted means cried. Surprised means amazed, and answered means replied. So this is our activity 2. Now you have activity 3. Now say whether the following statements true, false or not mentioned. Now this is your homework. Activity 3. Find out all the answers from the given activity 1, that whether these statements are true, false or not mentioned. Thank you.